Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade organic lemon curd. I just got a bunch of fresh lemons from my friend's tree, and there's nothing better to do with these than make lemon curd. You can use lemon curd on top of toast, you can put it on waffles, pancakes, French toast, bagels. You can even add this as a filling between layer cakes, you can fill cupcakes with this, and you can even fill thumbprint cookies with this. It has a smooth and velvety texture and a bright and citrus flavor. So if you're ready to make organic lemon curd, let's get to it. The first thing you need to make homemade lemon curd is 3 large egg yolks. And now you want to separate these from the egg whites, and you can store the egg whites in your refrigerator and you can use them inside your scramble, you can cook them up for your dog, or you can make French macaroons with them. And I have the egg yolks in a heat-proof bowl here. This is a glass bowl. You can use glass or metal, but something that's heat-proof because we're going to put this over the stovetop. And then once you have your egg yolks in the bowl, we're going to add 113 grams of cane sugar to the egg yolks. Next, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, so I'm just going to juice lemons until I get a 1/4 cup. A 1/4 cup of lemon juice is going to be about 1 large lemon, but make sure to measure it. And then we're going to need the zest of 1 lemon as well. You're going to put the double boiler over medium heat and whisk to combine the mixture completely. And whisk to ensure that there are no clumps. Continue to whisk and cook for about 10 minutes until the mixture has thickened and reduced by about 1/3. It will coat the back of the spoon nicely once it's ready. As you can see, the mixture has reduced by about 1/3 from what we started from. And the mixture also coats the back of the spoon. Once the lemon mixture is done cooking, you're going to cut 57 grams of butter into small cubes. This is going to help it combine into the lemon mixture easier. So I'm going to add the butter into the lemon mixture. And this is just going to melt, so we're going to let it sit here for a moment, and then we're going to stir it up. Once the butter is completely combined into the lemon mixture, then we're going to cover this with plastic wrap to prevent a film from forming. This is similar to like pudding or custard. And then we're going to put it in the fridge and let it set for 4 to 6 hours before it's ready to use. At that time, you can then transfer it to a glass jar for storage. Once your lemon curd has set up in the fridge, you can transfer it to a glass jar like this. As you can see, the consistency will be kind of thick and easily spreadable. You can use this on toast, waffles, and pancakes, and you can even use it inside layer cakes or as a filling for cupcakes. If you want more easy organic recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.